Hi, everyone, and welcome to Junosphere, where we learn about a whole sphere of topics and how they are interconnected, just as we are all interconnected. The purpose of this video is to enlighten and entertain you. Today, we're exploring the practice of mudras, where we learn about the precious gifts located at the ends of our arms that often go unnoticed and underutilized. The information presented here is not intended to replace advice from a qualified medical practitioner. Please seek a medical opinion if you have any concerns about your health. For definitions and other introductory information about mudras, please view the first video in this series titled Magic Mudra Monday, Episode 1, Angushta Mudra. Today, we're learning about the Madhyama Mudra, just one in a series of 108 mudras we will learn about, with the new mudra introduced each Magic Mudra Monday. I will now describe how to perform the Madhyama Mudra. Then you can hold the mudra while learning more about its meaning and how it can benefit you. To begin, receive a couple of deep, cleansing breaths, being sure to fully exhale, as this is the most beneficial aspect of breathing. Exhaling expels toxins of all sorts from our being. And remember, we don't take a breath, we receive a breath. It's a gift. While holding the palms in front of the solar plexus, located at the hollow area at the base of the ribs, just below the navel area, gently press the middle fingertips together while allowing the other fingers to relax inward, forming loose fists. Now drop your shoulders and release your back, holding your elbows slightly away from your body, keeping your forearms parallel to the earth and your spine naturally aligned. And that's it. It is recommended to hold each mudra position for a minimum of 5 to 10 inhales and exhales, but you may wish to hold them longer. The longer you hold a mudra, the greater the benefit. If you have long fingernails, you may simply interlace the middle fingers and then gently draw them apart as you hold the gesture. The same method may be applied to each of the mudras when an alternative is required. While you are holding the Madhyama Mudra, I will tell you more about it. Just relax, listen, and breathe. Mudras promote physical health, psychological balance, and spiritual awakening through simple gestures of the hands, face, and body. Madhyama means middle finger, and the Madhyama Mudra brings together the middle fingertips, directing breath, awareness, and energy to the solar plexus, which is our body's storehouse of personal power. In the ancient Japanese healing art of Jin Shin Jyutsu, the middle fingers are the general harmonizers. Also, holding the middle fingers harmonizes anger, as well as the organ function energy of the liver and gallbladder. Just as the liver is important for digestion of food, it also plays an important role in the dissemination of emotions. The liver is considered the seat of heating emotions like anger, envy, irritability, willpower, courage, and enthusiasm. Possessing negative emotions like anger, envy, irritation, and frustration weakens the liver. Think about the word livid, meaning extremely angry, and then the word liver. Although this is not the derivation of the word, it still is an interesting coincidence. and it also serves as a mnemonic device to help you remember that holding the middle fingers helps the liver. I will talk more about this in my Jinshin Jitsu video series. The core quality of the Madhyama Mudra is balanced energy. It is especially helpful for stabilizing our level of energy, supporting optimal digestion, and releasing tension from the mid-back. Balancing giving and receiving, and unfolding of all our potential. We naturally recognize the importance of balancing our level of energy as we attune to this area more deeply. Evaluating both balance and imbalance in our level of energy is supported by this gesture. We are able to conserve energy consciously with greater awareness, thereby cultivating abundant vitality for all of our activities. The horizontal current of energy, or samana vayu, is activated by this gesture, which in turn supports optimal digestion at both the physical and subtle levels, thereby enhancing our ability to balance our level of energy. The fire element, or tejas, spelled Tejas, is gently activated by the Madhyama Mudra with its qualities of warmth, brilliance, light, and transformation, enhancing our ability to balance our level of energy. The fire element is also related to the sense of sight. The solar plexus is opened and balanced by the Madhyama Mudra. Energetic blockages in the solar plexus are released as this chakra opens, which naturally cultivates self-esteem, personal power, and vitality. By bringing awareness to our storehouse of energy and enhancing our ability to maintain balance, we are able to channel this energy consciously to unfold all of our talents and possibilities. The Madhyama Mudra directs breath and awareness to the solar plexus, creating a massaging effect that supports the release of muscular tension from this area. This enhanced breathing in the abdomen creates a massaging effect that supports the health of the digestive system. It also massages the mid-back, which may be helpful for back pain. Circulation to the area of the kidneys and adrenal glands is improved through this massaging action on the middle back. Kapha imbalance is assisted by the mildly energizing effects of this gesture. A kapha imbalance is directly related to an excess amount of earth and water in the system. When these elements become predominant in the body, they can create disruptions emotionally, physically, and even lead to disease in the long term. Kapha tends towards consistency, loyalty, and good humor. Imbalanced qualities include lethargy and excessive attachment. The warming and balancing effects are generally helpful for vata imbalance. Vata imbalance poorly affects circulation and movement in the body. An imbalanced vata dosha can take toll on the functioning of our critical body systems, such as lymphatic system, reproductive system, blood circulation, and our mental balance. Vata is comprised of air and space. It tends towards creativity and versatility. Imbalanced qualities include fear, confusion, and hyperactivity. In terms of the energy body, Madhyama Mudra activates Samana Vayu, the horizontal current of energy. Samana Vayu, known as balancing air in English, is one of the 5 Vayus that make up prana. Samana Vayu is believed to exist in the abdomen, with the navel as its energy base, and oversees the digestion of everything from food to thoughts. Madhyama Mudra opens and balances the third chakra, center of personal power. It instills self esteem and confidence and cultivates awareness of our actions, supporting us in using our energy wisely. Radiance and clarity arise naturally as we become balanced energetically. The affirmation for Madhyama Mudra is I live fully and vibrantly with balanced energy at all levels of my being. Repeat this affirmation 3 times, aloud or silently. Energetically, on a scale from 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest, this mudra scores a 6. Please check out my channel for additional videos on a variety of interrelated topics. I will be so grateful if you will like, subscribe, share, and comment on my videos, and I'm very thankful for all of you who have already done so. Thanks for tuning in, and I invite you to tune in to the Junosphere again soon. Bye.